What's so funny, TSM?
You know what it is precisely. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. The queen on the scene day and night. I hit that subscribe and I gotta hit that like. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen of the Pisces. Yeah, yeah. That like, share, subscribe. Yeah, yeah. Hit that like, share, subscribe. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen of the Pisces. That like, share, subscribe. Yeah, yeah. Hit that like, share, subscribe.
Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces queen. Okay. So, oh my God, I gotta quit saying so. It just drives me crazy. Like, oh my God. Okay. In today's video, if you have not already read that title, I am doing a wig review on this wig that I got from Amazon. Bro, I didn't even get the inches. Okay, first of all, this texture is called, okay, you know what? Let me get this information. Alright, so I got the information like I should have done the first time. So, it is a 20 inches of hair. You see the hair, very long. Kinky straight. It is a glueless lace. It has 2 combs and a comb in the back with the lace if you want to put it in the ponytail. If I was going to a professional, I will get them to put it in the ponytail or like glue that down. But since I'm doing it, I'm not going to be able to do all that. It actually has 3 combs. It has a comb right here. Okay. It's 150 density, pre-pluck, and it's a 13x4, which means the lace is, you know, you got a lot of parting space, which is my main concern because I don't wear middle parts. I like to wear a side part when I wear my hair. When I wear my own hair, I wear a side part. When I wear wigs, I wear a side part. I think that the middle part of me can look good, but not good enough for my liking. So what I'm going to do is, I've had this wig before, but I burnt the edge. I burnt off all the hair by, I was dyeing the roots, trying to dye my roots blonde, and I should have just like put it on there, but instead I put the foil on there with a blow dryer. Girl, the most. And I paid the wig cost, this one cost $206, I believe. Now, I'm going to definitely put all the description on the screen, and I'm going to put it where you can see it. So today, I'm going to dye this hair because I like the color, but my own hair is, I have red tips at the end. But I've done this wig before in these colors, and I really liked it, the red that I got. I'm trying to see if I can find the box. But it's dye you can use without bleaching your hair. And the red came out pretty nice on my own hair. So, oh. Okay, so this is the hair dye I use with 20 developer. It's copper, the color copper, and it's the high color highlights. It's the kind you can use, again, like I said, it's for dark hair only, so you gotta have dark hair, of course. And you can dye your hair like a red tint. It won't be like bloodshot red. They have many colors. They have purple. The purple don't really show through. If you see when I did my kids hair, it didn't really show through good. And it's probably because I didn't have a lot. So that's a video. I mean, that's an idea I might do, is get one of my old black wigs and dye it purple to see how it come out if I have like a lot of dye. But I did not, so I will be doing this one today with 40 developer. I thought I bought 20, but I got 40 because it's better. And I'm going to let it sit overnight in the dye. I'm doing all of the hair. Everything will be red. There will be nothing left behind. I hope I don't mess up my lace, but we will see. I also love this lace because it's like see-through. And I do have some tanning spray, like for the dye the lace brown. My first time using that. So we're going to do that. This is a glueless wig, if I have not said that. I'm not gluing it down. I don't glue my wigs down because I don't wear them for that long. Although this one, I think I'm going to wear for a pretty long time until I think of another style I want to wear. So I'm going to use the Wonder Hold lace bond on this wig. I've already tried this by itself. It did not last long. Well, I haven't tried this one. I had the orange one, and the orange one didn't last long by itself. I had on just a bit of Got To Be Spray just to hold down my cap. And then I had on the orange spray, and I was trying to find it, but it didn't hold down. It held down for the whole day. The amount of time I put it down, it held down all day, but it did not hold for, a couple of days. So I will not do that again, and I'm scared to do this by itself. So I definitely will do like the Got To Be Spray and this with my lace when I put the wig on in a couple of days, which would be probably, I don't know, if it come out really, really good, I might want to put it on immediately. Because, I just love this texture of hair, and I'm sure if I straighten out my own hair, it will look something like this, But, alright, so let's get into the dyeing. I'm so excited. I may have to get some more hair clips because, not hair clips, Lord. Some more hair dye because this is a lot of hair that I'm used to. I've never had, I think the last wig I had was like probably a 20-inch wig, the one that's just like this. But I never had 26 inches of hair to dye. Or, yeah, I've had long wigs, but they were synthetic and I didn't dye them. Let's not realize I don't like long hair. But this hair, I love this hair. Now, it seems like, right, I got like a hole. It's very thick. So, I'm going to thin it out so I can have a thinner amount of hair. And I'm really thinking I'm going to have to buy some more hair dye. I don't know why I thought 2 boxes was enough. But if I do, I have to go back tomorrow and get some more hair dye. Which this you can get off of Amazon. I believe I paid like $5.99 per box or $2.99, one of the two. So what I did was I put it all in here. It comes in a tube like so. The copper is already mixed. If you get like another color, some of them come with the developer and then they come with a little tube for the color. I like the ones that's already mixed, like already colored. So I'm gonna do that extra stuff. So I'm just gonna mix it up real good. And it looks orangey. That's the color I'm going for, like a copper, like it says. So I'm going to mix it and then we will start the dyeing. So in this clip, I did the watercolor method before I washed it out, and it didn't come out to the color I wanted it to. I didn't have enough dye, so I went to the store to get some more, and I bought the wrong color, but I was like, okay, it's close to it. This color I got is called red copper, so it's not the copper by itself, it's the red copper. And so I decided to just dye it on the counter. I've done it before and it came out pretty good, so I decided to try it again. So that's what I'm doing in this clip. Because, you know, the last time it just came out,
empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah. Can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. clock and rewind. Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me, your love.
What's so funny, TSM?
You know what it is precisely. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. The queen on the scene day and night. I hit that subscribe and I gotta hit that like. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen of the Pisces. Yeah, yeah, that like, share, subscribe. Yeah, yeah, hit that like, share, subscribe. Come and hit the scene with the Pisces. You know it's the queen, it's the Pisces. That like, share, subscribe. Yeah, yeah, hit that like, share, subscribe.